Alright y'all, Hallsguide Diecast news here, getting into some different case unboxings, and I did a Greenlight case unboxing a couple of weeks ago, and this time we've got M2 machines. So this is the M2 machines. This is their Auto Driver series and Release 64. That's how you read the case here. So this is Release 64, just came out. This one and Release 66 were both put out at the same time. I'm going to do one at a time. So this is Release 64. Notice there are 6 vehicles in here. 6 vehicles in this release, possibly a chase, but we'll have to open it up and find out if we get one. Alright, Auto Drivers Release 64. Alright, so if you're familiar with M2 machines, some of them come in the traditional cards with the blister packs like you see right here, and others come in the little box packaging, which I don't have on hand at the moment. But this set, the Auto Driver set for Release 64, is in the traditional card with the blister pack on it. And first up, we have the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi. This one is in gray. It's got a black hood with a hood scoop there. It says Hemi. Mopar Garage on the side. Looks like the card art is different for all of these. So Mopar Garage right here, but a different card art for each one in this series. So here's the next one, the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi, and also with Mopar graphics. You see it there on the card art, but the card art is different than that last one. And a lot of detail on these. I really like these M2 machines. More of a premium model than what you get with your Hot Wheels mainlines. So you've got the real rider type wheels there. This one's got that really long nose that the Dodge Charger Daytona had, and of course the big spoiler on the back. It says Daytona on the back. Up next, we have the 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. So, also Mopar. So, kind of a Mopar theme going on with this one, I guess. Maybe this, I think this whole set is all Mopar this time, this release anyways. R64. If you do notice, it does say it there on the packaging as well. This one's orange with really nice Mopar graphics on it. It says Hemi on the hood as well. Comes a little extra tissue for packing. And here is the 1966 Dodge Charger Hemi. So 66 Dodge Charger here. And this one's got gold wheels on it. Blue with red stripe, both on the side and down the middle. And it says direct connection right there. And then here we have the 1957 Chrysler 300C in white. Even went ahead and put the horsepower on there. Looks like an old school advertisement there. Mopar, Plymouth, Dodge, DeSoto, Chrysler, Imperial Parts and Accessories. Get top protection with Mopar, heavy duty brake fluid. So this car was kind of advertisement for Mopar. And if you are looking for the chase version, in this case, in this release, it's going to be this one. It's going to be this vehicle. It is the 1971 Dodge Charger Custom, and well, this one's green, so this would be the regular release. The chase version is orange. So this is the regular version, Mopar graphics in green. And it says Mopar.com 512 there on the card art. But there you go. That is the Release 64 for the M2 Machines Auto Driver set. So hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and look forward to more M2 unboxings.